Let us continue exercise 1.5, second problem. Write the following. Write the following in exponential form. So we completed some important formulae of logarithms. First one is log a into b is log a plus log b. Second one is log a by b is equal to log a minus log b. Third one is log a to the power n means it is n log a. If the base has power, that is log a base x to the power n, if the base is having power, then it becomes 1 by. And logarithms are defined only for positive numbers. Logarithms are not defined for negative numbers. Next, logarithm of a number itself as the base. For example, log 10 base 10, it is 1. Log 20 base 20 is 1. Log 100 base 100 is 1. Like that, logarithm of a number itself as the base is always 1. Next, logarithm of 1, whatever the base may be, it is 0. So like that, some important formulae are there. Now, here logarithm form is given. Now we should write in the exponential form. First one, logarithm of 324 base 18 is 2. The same rule in logarithmic form, if you remove logarithm, 324 comes here, 2 goes there. That is 18 square is equal to 324. Logarithm of 10,000 base 10 is equal to 4. When you remove logarithm, 10,000 comes here, 4 goes there. So it is 10 to the power 4 is equal to 10,000. So this is called logarithmic form. This is known as exponential form. Write the third one. Find the value of the following. Find the value of the following. First one, log 5 base is 25. To find the value of this logarithmic form, there are two methods. So we are going to learn two methods for this problem. So first method is, in first method you suppose the given problem log 5 base 25 as x. You suppose the given problem as x. When you remove logarithm, 5 comes here, x goes there. 25 to the power x is equal to 5. Now 25 can be written as 5 square. That is 2 into x, 2x is equal to 5 means 5 to the power 1. When bases are same, we will equate the powers. Therefore 2x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 by 2. X means the given problem is x. Answer is 1 by 2. So first, you suppose the given problem as x. Remove logarithm, 5 comes here, x goes there. 25 to the power x is 5. Now 25 can be written as 5 square, whole to the power x is 5. If two powers are there, we will multiply. 5 to the power 2x is equal to 5 to the power 1. Bases are same, so equate the powers. 2x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 by 2. So the given problem answer is 1 by 2. That is the first method. Now in second method, logarithm of 5 base 25. Now this 25 you write it as 5 square. Already we learned that if the base has power, it comes as 1 by 2. So it will become 1 by 2 into log 5 base 5. Logarithm of a number itself as the base. If these two are same, then the answer is 1. Therefore, 1 by 2 into 1 is 1 by 2. Like this also we can do. So this is the first method. In first method, you suppose the given problem as A and remove logarithm. After removing the logarithm, we are going to make the bases same. So 5 to the power 2x is equal to 5 to the power 1. If bases are equal, powers also equal, 2x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 by 2. Now in second method, 25 is nothing but 5 square. If the base has power, it will become 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 into log 5 base 5. Logarithm of a number itself as the base, this is 1. So 1 by 2 into 1, 1 by 2 answer. Like these two methods are there. So depending on the nature of the problem, we will apply. So which method is easy, that we will do. Right, the second one. Logarithm of 3 base 81. 81 can be written as 3 to the power 4. 81 can be written as 3 to the power 4. If the base has power, it will become 1 by 4. Logarithm of a number itself as the base, this is 1. So 1 by 4 into 1 is 1 by 4 answer. Next, third one. Log 1 by 16 base is 2. Log 1 by 16 base is 2. This 16 can be written as 2 to the power 4. 1 by 2 to the power 4, if you bring it to numerator, power will change the sign. It will become 2 to the power minus 4. In logarithms, if a number has power, then it comes as a coefficient. So it will become minus 4 into log 2 base 2. Logarithm of a number itself as the base, it is 1. So minus 4 into 1, answer is minus 4. Fourth one, logarithm of 1 base is 7. Logarithm of 1 base is 7. So first, you suppose that logarithm of 1 base 7 as x. This is in logarithmic form. If you remove logarithm, 1 comes here, x goes there. 7 to the power x is 1. 1 can be written as 7 to the power 0 is also 1. So in place of 1 I am writing 7 to the power 0. Bases are same, equate the powers. So x value is 0. X means logarithm of 1 to the base 7, answer is 0. So first you suppose that log 1 base 7 is equal to x. Remove logarithm, 1 comes here, x goes there. 7 to the power x is 1. 1 can be written as 7 to the power 0. So if bases are equal, then powers also equal. So x value is 0. So log 1 to the base 7 is 0. Now fifth one, log root x base x. Root x means it is x to the power 1 by 2. In logarithms, if a number has power, it comes as a coefficient, so it will become 1 by 2 into log x base x. Logarithm of a number itself as the base, it is 1, so 1 by 2 into 1, so the answer is 1 by 2. Sixth one, logarithm of 512 base is 2. This 512 is nothing but 2 to the power 9. 2 to the power 9, 2 into 2 into 2, if you multiply 9 times, it is 512. So 512 can be written as 2 to the power 9. In logarithms, if a number has power, it comes as a coefficient, so it will become 9 into log 2 base 2. Logarithm of a number itself as the base, if both are same, then the answer is 1. So 9 into 1 is 9 answer. Logarithm of 0.01 base is 10. This 0.01, if you remove the decimal, it is 1 by 100. 0.01 means when you remove the decimal, it is 1 by 100. 1 by 100 is nothing but 1 by 10 square. This 1 by 10 square, if you write in the numerator, it will become 10 to the power minus 2, base is 10. Logarithm of x to the power n comes as a coefficient, minus 2 into log 10 base 10. Logarithm of a number itself as the base is 1, so minus 2 into 1 is minus 2 answer. Log 8 by 27 base 2 by 3. Logarithm of 8 by 27 base is 2 by 3. 8 by 27 you write it as 2 by 3 whole cube. 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27. So base is 2 by 3. Log x to the power n means 3 comes here. It is 3 into log 2 by 3 base is 2 by 3. Logarithm of a number itself as the base, if these two are same, 2 by 3, 2 by 3, then the answer is 1. 3 into 1 is 3 answer. Right, next one, expand the following. First bit, log 1000. Now log 1000 means we have to write 1000 as 10 cube. Log a to the power m is 3 comes here. It is 3 into log 10. If the base is not mentioned, it is known as 10. So logarithm of a number itself as the base. These two are same. Then it is 1. So 3 into 1 is 3 answer. Second one, log 128 by 625. This is in the form of log a by b. First let us apply the formula. Log a by b is log a minus log b. Log a by b is log a minus log b. Log 128, 2 to the power 5 is 32, 2 to the power 6, 2 to the power 7 it is. 625, 5 to the power 4. This is 2 into 2, if you multiply 7 times it is 128. 5 if you multiply 4 times, 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 it is 625. Now in logarithms if a number has power it comes as a coefficient. 7 log 2, this 4 comes here, it is 4 log 5. Third one, log x square y cube z to the power 4. Now first it is all intos are there, log a into b into c. So it will become plus log a into b into c is log a plus log b plus log c. Log a b c is equal to log a plus log b plus log c. Now in logarithms if a number has power it comes as a coefficient. So it is 2 log x, it is 3 log y, next 4 log z. Fourth bit, log p square q cube by r. First we have to use the formula log, this is a, this is b, log a by b formula. Log a by b formula is log a minus log b. Now this is in the form of log a into b, two terms are there, into is there, log a into b is log a plus log b. Now in logarithms if a number has power it comes as a coefficient. It is 2 log p, this is 3 log q minus log r.